USDCHF edged higher for the second successive day, though lacked follow-through buying. The cautious market mood benefited the safe haven CHF and capped gains amid softer USD. An uptick in the US bond yields helped limit losses for the USD and the pair ahead of the NFP. The USD-CHF pair retreated a few pips from the daily swing high and was last seen trading with only modest intraday gains, around the 0.9200 round figure mark. Following the previous day's turnaround from the 0.9235 area, the USD-CHF pair gained some positive traction for the second successive day on Friday, though the uptick lacked bullish conviction. The US dollar languished near a 2.5-week low and was pressured by the post-ECB rally in the shared currency. Apart from this, the cautious market mood benefited the safe haven Swiss franc and kept a lid on any meaningful upside for the major. That said, some follow-through uptick in the US Treasury bond yields helped limit any deeper losses for the greenback and acted as a tailwind for the USD-CHF pair. Investors also seemed reluctant to place aggressive bets and preferred to wait for the release of the closely watched U.S. monthly employment details, due later during the early North American session. The data will influence the USD price dynamics and provide a fresh impetus to the USD-CHF pair. The headline NFP print is expected to show that the U.S. economy added 150,000 jobs in January, down from the 199,000 reported in the previous month. Several labor market indicators, including the awful ADP report on Wednesday, have been suggesting trouble in the U.S. labor market at the start of 2022. This, in turn, points to a considerable risk of a negative surprise, which should exert pressure on the already weaker USD and prompt fresh selling around the USD-CHF pair. Hence, it will be prudent to wait for a strong follow-through buying before confirming that the recent sharp pullback from the vicinity of mid-0.9300s, over a 2-month high has run its course. On the flip side, the very important 200-day SMA, currently around the 0.9165 region, should act as a pivotal point, which if broken decisively will be seen as a fresh trigger for bearish traders. This, in turn, will set the stage for a further near-term depreciating move. Technical levels to watch. USD-CHF overview. Today last price 0.92. Today daily change minus 0.0014. Today daily change percent minus 0.15. Today daily open 0.9214. Trends. Daily SMA 20 0.9196. Daily SMA 50 0.92. Daily SMA 100 0.9218. Daily SMA 200 0.9168. Levels. Previous daily high 0.9236. Previous daily low 0.9177. Previous weekly high 0.9338. Previous weekly low 0.9109. Previous monthly high 0.9343. Previous monthly low 0.9092. Daily Fibonacci 38.2% 0.9214. Daily Fibonacci 61.8% 0.92. Daily Pivot Point S1 0.9182. Daily Pivot Point S2 0.915. Daily Pivot Point S3 0.9124. Daily Pivot Point R1 0.9241. Daily Pivot Point R2 0.9268. Daily Pivot Point R3 0.9299.